So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about ITC stock. So today we'll be discussing the complete technicals. So recently the stock has given some very good positive momentum. So many people have expected a continuous uptrend. So since it is near a very strong resistive region, so will it cross that and will it continue the uptrend or not? So we'll try to find out all the major supports as well as resistances. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and what is the reason for this particular up move, so that also we'll try to discuss. So if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so if we try to compare the day-to-day wise deliveries in ITC, so clearly we can observe on 16 September 31.3% deliverables were present, and you can see the spike in the traded quantity because obviously the stock has given a sudden movement of almost 6.8%. So on that particular note, volatility has increased, so that is significantly we can see impacted the traded volumes. So yesterday you can see 34.1% and 0.2% positive momentum. So we know ITC earlier was famous for memes because much momentum was not observed in this particular stock. So clearly you can see only minute to positive movement was present in ITC since many weeks and months. So since it has approached the 200-day exponential moving average, which is roughly around 233 to 234 rupees region, so there the stock is clearly facing a resistance. So once it crosses that particular region, so obviously it confirms the uptrend. So that we'll try to observe on technical charts. So seeing the deliverables, you can see little bit of decrement is present because of the volatility that was seen. So whatever we see on charts, we'll try to discuss each and everything in detail. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts. You can see this is the weekly chart time frame, and the stock has closed near the 231.15 rupees level. So once you see the chart, you can see a similar sort of pattern was earlier also observed when the stock almost tried to approach the 200-day exponential moving average, and the next week we have seen a huge downfall. Okay, so same set of pattern, it has gone in the 200 exponential, faced the resistance, again it has retraced. So why ITC has given this particular momentum? So one of the major reason was related to FDI proposal. So a proposal was made that the other FDIs may invest. So earlier we know cigarette companies in cigarette segment, so FDIs were not allowed. So now they're trying to allow even FDIs to invest in this particular segment. So on that particular note, little positive vibe was generated and some spike in volumes was present. So on that particular note, we have seen some increment in ITC. So that is not just a proposal, it is not any confirmation news. So that's why it could not sustain the 234 rupees level. So again, will it face the resistance or not? We need to observe in the coming sessions. So what is the major resistance? 234. So keep that level in radar. So once it crosses and if it travels and consolidates in that particular region, so definitely you can go for buying ITC for immediate targets of 250 plus. In midterm you can expect easily it will cross that particular level. So region also is very simple, and the same way if it faces resistance and comes down, 225 would be the support level. Okay, so money flow index is near 55 and that is also pointing in the upward direction, so nothing to worry. Technical indicators are bullish, but price action wise you can understand, so earlier also this sort of up and down movement was clearly visible. Okay, so next when we observe in daily chart time frame, so there you can see the same way in weekly chart. So today means ITC, whenever it gives any sudden up move, so again it tries to retrace for a little bit. So that's why I tell only buy in small portions unless and until a strong reason is present. So reason is present, but that is not 100% satisfying and confirmed. So but you can accumulate. So PE wise, valuation wise, FMCG stock for long term, this is a very good stock. It needs little bit of time, so time taking process, but definitely your money would be safe, and the same way in long term you can expect some very good returns. So daily chart time frame, money flow, a huge spike was present. It has gone to 91 region. So highly overbought region. So nobody is willing to sell there. So little bit of price rejection is present in the top side. So once it crosses the 234, 235, you can expect 250 rupees plus in the midterm, whatever we discussed. So this is all about ITC. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and also can connect with me in Instagram. Until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.